Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to add Snapchat to your Facebook page. So let's go to the Facebook page first. Make sure you are on your Facebook page, not your regular Facebook account. How you can check this? You have to click on top right this profile icon. Then you can find your Facebook name and your Facebook page name. You have to click on the Facebook page name and it will switch to your account Facebook page account like this. Then you have to click on this Facebook page name, which is top right corner, top left corner. Click on this and you have to click on about section. Click on about, scroll down and you'll find here websites and social links. You have to click here this pencil icon and then you have to click on add a social link. Then you'll find here on the right hand side this drop down menu. Click on drop down menu and you have to find Snapchat. Click on Snapchat and you have to add the Snapchat URL or the Snapchat ID. Then you have to click on save. Okay, after click on save, your Snapchat will be added here. So guys, this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.